Hi guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna teach you on how to manually approve tags on Instagram. Basically, people use this manually approve tag on to avoid unnecessary posts that you get tagged on Instagram like without your approval. It's pretty annoying, right? But now you can avoid them by watching this video till the end. Okay, so without wasting in time, let's get this started. Tap on this Instagram icon first. And tap on the profile down in the corner right here. Now tap on these three lines right here on the top. Tap on settings. Tap on privacy. And then go on tap on this posts. Now you'll find a couple of options like likes and views, allow tags from tagged post. You have to click on manually approve tags under tagged post. Tap here. Now there are three options you have to do is tap on second option, manually approve tags. Tap here. Now this white thing turned into blue, which means that now manually approved tags is turned on. Now no spam account or any account when they tag you will appear on profile. But if you like to turn it off someday, you can follow the same process and tap here, and it shows like turn tag review off. So tap on turn off. So now that blue thing turned back into white, which means you have turned off the manually approved tags. Okay, so guys, this is how you turn on the manually approved tags on Instagram. I hope this video helped you on how to manually approve tags, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give a like, share and subscribe to this channel. Bye guys, see you in the next video.